Okay, so we're going to find the product of the given polynomials. Okay, first, how many terms do we have? Meaning, distribute negative 9x squared y twice. Tama? Okay, first, focus muna tayo sa monomial at sa first term. And sa sign ng numerical coefficient. Okay, negative times positive. Negative. Then, get the product of the numerical coefficient. 9 times 3. Okay, so we have negative 27. Then after that, proceed na tayo sa literal coefficient. Do we have the same variable? What variable? Okay, we have x and then after that, get the sum of the exponent. Okay, we have 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is the product of the first term. Proceed to the product of the second term. Negative times negative. Okay, positive na po. Then 9 times 2. Ano yung variable na parehas? Letter S. Then get the sum. 2 plus 1. Then copy the given variable. Okay, who got the correct answer? Okay, do you understand? This time, may tuturo ako sa inyo anak technique. How to use our fingers to multiply. Okay, sa 9 lang to applicable. Okay, 9. Iba yung ganito, iba yung ganito, ha? Okay, so, yung ganito anak, sa 6 to 10 yon. Ito 9 lang, mas mabilis kay 9. Okay, i-assign natin ang ating 10 daliri as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kung ito yung daliri nyo, yung nasa right, dun yung start ng 1. Pero dahil nakaharap ako sa inyo, nasa left. Okay. So, basta ito yung 1 natin. Dito tayo start sa right side natin. Then, after that, for example, 9 times 3. Okay, itutupin natin yung pangatlong daliri. Kasi sa 3, times yung 9. Asan yung 3? 1, 2, 3. Tupin natin to. Yan. Yung nakatupi na to, ito yung magsaserve as boundary line natin. And then, ilan yung daliring natira sa left side ko? 2. Yung natira sa right side ko. 9 times 3, 27. Do you understand? Isa pa. 9 times 2. Asan yung 2 ko? 1, 2. Itutupi. Ilan yung natira sa left? 1. Ilan yung nasa right? 1, 8, 18. How about 9 times 7? Asan ang pang 7? Ito po. Tama? Ilan yung natira sa left? 6. Sa right? 63. Do you understand? Kunyari, 9 times 9. 9 times 9. Ilan yung nasa left? 8. Ilan yung nasa right? 81. Applicable lang to sa 9. Pero pag 6 to 10, pag ganito naman. Diba?